Hi, in this video we are going to see the most awaiting and the most wanted topic, that is the selection of assistant professor. UGC NET is enough or else the PhD is required or mandatory from July 2021 onwards. Fine. So based upon this one, here I will show you with respect to proof. Okay, proof means I will show you the state university recruitment notification in 2021 and in 2020. So you just compare both these two notifications from the same state university regarding the qualifications, whatever the educational qualifications they mentioned for the assistant professor in the 2020 as well as in the 2021. So based upon this one, you can decide yourself whether the UGC NET is enough or the PhD is mandatory. Fine. So to get the more notifications from my side, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues. I think it will be very much helpful and it is a needy information. Fine. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. Regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video and the links also I kept, so please check down those. To the present content of the video, so it is a Press Information Bureau from Government of India. Highlights of minimum qualifications for appointment of teachers in universities and colleges and measures for maintenance of standards in the higher education. Actually, this Press Information Bureau released on June 13th, 2018. So here they mentioned that PhD degree will be mandatory for direct recruitment to the assistant professor in universities. Fine. So it was mentioned and with effect from 1st July 2021. So already today is July 20th. So all of you are having the confusion whether my PhD is mandatory. Fine. So in this press notice, you may check down. The PhD degree has been made mandatory for the promotion to assistant professor selection grade in colleges from 1st July 2021, and PhD degree will be mandatory for direct recruitment to assistant professor in universities with effect from 1st July 2021. So it means that if you are taking the colleges, that means other than the universities, that means in colleges, if you want to go to the assistant professor selection grade, that means total 3 levels are there in the assistant professor, that is level 10, 11 and 12. Fine. So while coming to the assistant professor level 10, UGC NET is, whatever the present criteria is there, so UGC NET is enough. But from the assistant professor level 10 to 11 or the 12, that means if you want to promote to these selection grades, then PhD degree will be mandatory in the colleges with effect from 1st July 2021. But while coming to the universities case, the scenario is different. For direct recruitment to the assistant professor, that means even though it might be the level 10, then PhD degree will be mandatory for direct recruitment with effect from 1st July 2021. Fine. So this point mentioned in the Press Information Bureau from the MHRD. And the same point you can check down here in the official public notice of the, it is not the notice, it is the UGC Regulations 2018. Okay, so I will show you that. Yeah. University Grants Commission, New Delhi, February 2018. Draft UGC regulations on minimum qualifications for appointment of teachers and other academic staff in universities and colleges, and measures for maintenance of standards in higher education. So in this one, if you go to the page number 5, okay, so it is the page number 5 and the point is 3.8. So in this 3.8, you may check down. The PhD degree shall be mandatory for promotion to the post of assistant professor academic level 12. That means if you want to promote from 10 to 11, UGC NET is enough. And if you want to promote from 11 to 12, that is a selection grade, 12th level, then PhD degree is the mandatory in the in universities. Okay, in universities. And the PhD degree shall be mandatory qualification for direct recruitment to the post of assistant professor in universities. Okay, that means for the promotion purpose and for the direct recruitment purpose, the PhD degree will be mandatory with effect from 1st July 2021. And for promotion to the post of assistant professor academic level 12 in colleges, the PhD degree shall be made a mandatory qualification if the date of eligibility falls on after 1st July 2021. So within this point, in 3.8 point, you can clarify what is the selection criteria for the assistant professor in universities as well as in the colleges. In the universities, if you want to join in the assistant professor level 10 category, the PhD degree will be mandatory, and for promotion also PhD degree is mandatory. But while coming to the colleges, for 10 level 10 and 11, UGC NET is enough. But if you want to promote to the academic level 12, then PhD degree will be mandatory from the 1st July 2021. So both these are the 2 points what mentioned in the press release of from the MHRD, as well as it is the UGC regulations 2018. Fine. So both these 2 points all of you know, but we have to know that whether these points are implementing by the universities starting from the July or not, that we should know. Fine. So here it is I told you in the starting itself that I will show you the proof with respect to one of the state university recruitment notification. Okay, so that reference I am taking the notification released by the Aligarh Muslim University. Okay, so from this Aligarh Muslim University, here you may check down that these advertisement numbers, and Aligarh Muslim University is the public central university, guys. Okay, so I will show you the 2 notifications. One is released on 16th July 2021, that means just a few days back, and another one is the recruitment notification, that is 11th June 2021, that means nearly 1 year back. Okay, so if you check both these 2 notifications, first I will show you the notification in the 2020. Whatever the assistant professor qualifications are mentioned in the 2020 advertisement, that I will show you. See guys, so here professor, associate, assistant research assistant, senior research assistant, these are the posts. But here our concern in this video is only regarding the assistant professor academic level 10 category. Okay, and in the 2020 there is no rule that a PhD must be mandatory for the assistant professor selection. So that's why if you check here the eligibility in the departments in the assistant professor, so I may check down assistant professor of public administration, economics, environmental economics, okay, Hindi, philosophy, all these things. Here eligibility, master's degree with 55% of marks in a concerned or relevant or allied subject from an Indian university, or an equivalent degree from an accredited foreign university. Besides fulfilling the above qualification, the candidate must have cleared the national eligibility test conducted by the UGC or the CSIR, or a similar test accredited by the UGC like SLET or SET. Okay, or else if the candidates who are having the PhD qualification is there, then the NET or SLET qualification is not mandatory. Okay, that means in 2020, as per this notification, the candidates who are having the master's degree with 55% and the UGC NET qualification or the CSIR, NET or SLET or SET is there, then the candidates can able to apply for the assistant professor category, okay, as per this notification mentioned. Fine. So here for assistant professor category, the PhD is not the mandatory. And similarly for the PhD candidates, there is a exempted. Okay, for PhD candidates shall be exempted from the requirement of NET, SLET or SET qualification. Fine. So it is what exactly the recruitment notification mentioned in the 2020. So with only PG 55% and NET qualification, the candidates can apply. But if you see the present notification just released a few days back, 16th July 2021, and here also the levels are there. So assistant professor academic level 10 category, the same salary is mentioned. And in this one, if you check down the assistant professor, see here they mention that assistant professor in the different departments. Okay, so English, linguistics, library and information science, philosophy. Okay, if you check, and here eligibility A or B. So while coming to the A master's degree with 55% of marks, or an equivalent grade in a point scale wherever the grading system is followed in a concerned or relevant or allied subject from an Indian university, a PhD degree in accordance with the UGC University Grants Commission minimum standards and procedure for award of MPhil or PhD degree, regulations 2019 or 16 and their amendments from time to time as the case may be, provided that the candidates registered for PhD program prior July 11, 2009 shall be governed by the provisions of the then existing ordinance or bylaws or regulations of the institute awarding the degree. Fine. So here there is no matter of UGC NET qualification here. Understand? There is no matter of UGC net or the CSI or net or SLET or set qualification. That point is not at all mentioned. Only the candidate must have the post graduation in the relevant discipline, okay, with enough percentage, 55 percentage, and the PhD degree as per the UGC regulations must be there. So it is what the eligibility, the same university, the two central university mentioned for the assistant professor qualifications. We will check the subject also. See, you check down. It is the notice in 2020, assistant professor in philosophy. Okay, so assistant professor in philosophy, master's degree plus UGC net qualification. But while coming to the present one, okay, while coming to the present 2021 recent notification, Department of Philosophy. Okay, if you take the same subject, that means you may think that based upon the subjects, the qualifications may be different, but for the same subject, philosophy subject, here these are the qualifications mentioned. Fine. So from both these two recruitment notifications from the same public central university, that is Aligarh Muslim University, released on 11 June 2020, and another one is 16th July 2021. So from this both these two notices, you may understand yourself that slowly the universities are starting the PhD as a mandatory qualification for the assistant professors. Fine. So it is what the content that I want to deliver from this video. Why? Because we did not get the recent notification from the we did not get the latest regulations from the UGC side, that is UGC 2021. Okay, from 2021 onwards, the PhD has to be mandatory, because the last regulations from the UGC side we got on 2018 February. Fine. So, but whatever the point mentioned in this regulations, February 2018, they clearly mentioned that PhD must be the mandatory. So, that's what we are observing here in the recruitment notifications of these universities. Fine. So, by this video, I'm not going to discourage the PG plus UGC net candidates. So, PG plus UGC net candidates can still try for the private colleges. And even though the government colleges are giving the opportunity for the PG plus UGC net candidates, but not on the permanent basis. They are giving on the contractual basis. Fine. So it is what I got the point, guys. And please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications like this. Time to time, whatever the updates are there from the UGC and the MHRD, then I will immediately inform you through my videos. So if you want to get my videos as a notifications, then you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues. I think it will be very most important notification. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.